Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to design Google Forms, how to use Google Forms. So the first thing I would advise you to do is to screen grab this page right here. I went to Google and typed how to use Google Forms and I got this. Screen grab it. You might be able to follow these steps diligently, and if you do, you should be able to design your own Google form. What are Google Forms? Google Forms are basically used to collect responses from people who want information like phone numbers, names, and so on. Maybe you just have the person's email address, or even if you don't have the person's email address, you just go to social media, you can type your Google Form link right there in social media and people will respond to it. That way you'll be able to collect their names, their phone numbers, even their location, and so on and so forth, whatever information you require for the purpose of which you are designing the Google form. So I'll just go to that first step right there. Go to Google Form to forms.google.com. I've gone there before, so it shouldn't be hard to get to that place. But you have to know that for you to be able to design a Google form, you should have a Gmail address. You should have a Google address. If you do not have one, please sign up and get one right away. You can do this with your computer or with your phone. You get the same results. So I prefer to just go into Google Forms, sign in. So personal use. I'll tap on that and it will open a Google form, a blank form for me right away. So just observe that this color here is purple. You may want to change the color of the theme by tapping on this second icon as the first from the right, and you have different colors that you can pick whatever theme you want there. Let me take this orange color and I'll click on apply. You see that this theme has changed to orange color. So the form is saying is untitled right now. I'll tap on it and I'll type what I want to type there. That's the main heading. I'll type La Buena Vida Project. Just La Buena Vida. So I'll type that right there. You can see it has appeared on the bottom. And then I'll put in a form description for the people filling the form, some form of description for them to know what they're going into. I can just say La Buena Vida Project was or is on a mission to show people how to generate fonts. You know all the grammar, you can add whatever you want to add there for personal projects and businesses. You can do that. Okay, and then you go on to the next line which says untitled question. You tap on it. The moment you tap on it, you see something appear by the right. That is for images, for pictures. If you want to insert a picture right there, you can do that. You can play with that later on. So the first thing you will normally ask for is the name. This kind of form. Sorry, I need the name of the person. I'll say name, and how would the name appear? In a short answer format. If I tap on this arrow here, I can set the kind of format I want to appear. Sorry. So it's already automatically set at short answer, which is okay for me. And then if I want to make this a required field, I will just tap on required. That button has moved to show that it is compulsory to fill in the name. And then the next thing I would want to add is to add phone number, a field for phone number. So I will just come down to bottom left, press that add button there, plus addition button, and another question field will appear. I will now say phone number. Is it multiple choice answer I want? No, short answer will do. Am I going to make it a required field? Yes, make it a required field. There. And you want to add another field. I like to add for WhatsApp numbers. I like using WhatsApp a lot. Some people use different numbers for their WhatsApp communication. WhatsApp number, short answer I will do. I'll make it a required field as well. And then I'm also going to add a field for email addresses, but when I'm doing this, you see what will happen now. Email addresses. I'll just say email. You can see a suggestion has appeared just as I was typing email down there. Enable email collection setting. It's asking me, and I say yes. And when I said yes, I scrolled up and I saw that email address has already appeared right on top, and it has already made it a mandatory field. It has already put the red asterisk there for me for the respondents to make sure they fill it. If they don't fill that portion, they will not be able to submit the form. So I can add, lastly, location. Your current location. Your current location. If they are in the US, they will add that they are in the US. If they are in Spain, Germany, Canada, anywhere they are, even if they are in your village, they will add it. You see that right there. And then I like to add one more thing. Current location, sorry. No. This current location appeared on top of the name. I don't want that. I can easily delete it by pressing that dustbin right there. It's gone. I want to add it under WhatsApp field. So I'll just tap under the WhatsApp number field to add the location. I've added the location. So I'll just say location. Just play around with it, make it mandatory. And then I want to add the last field, which is how did you come across this Google form link, or how did you come across La Buena Vida? How did you come across La Buena Vida? La Buena Vida. I'll put a question mark right there. And then I can make the answer, set it to be a paragraph format. Maybe they want to tell me some stories of how they came across it. I can make it paragraph format. So I'm done with my form right now, but there's something else I would like to add. I'd like to add an image, a theme. So I'll just tap on that color icon right there, and I'll see header. You can see choose image there. If you tap on choose image, you can either go to where your photos are to upload something, maybe pictures or posters. You can go online and upload something, or you can pick one of the themes you already have right there by scrolling. I like this book. We're talking about La Buena Vida project. Okay, this book should do. And then you tap on it and tap on insert, and the book will appear. Image uploaded. You tap on apply. You see, we have the book. You notice that the colors have changed because this particular book has its own color scheme. You can come and modify. You have limited options right here. You can modify the colors according to what you want, and you can also come and modify the font that you want. If you want playful, you want basic, you want decorative, whatever kind of font that you want that's listed here, I'll pick the playful one. We'll apply to your write-up. You see the text, the font has changed. So this looks very, very beautiful. Looks beautiful. So our Google form is set right now. So what we want to do next is we are going to send this to people. How do we send to people after designing the form? You tap on this send icon right here on top. When you tap on it, you'll see send via email. That envelope indicates email. You can see collect email addresses is already showing. So anybody I send it to, I will have the email address right here on this form, and I can send reminders to the people if I do not get any response from them. Very, very easy at one switch. I can just send the emails, the reminders to all of them in case they do not respond to my Google form on time. So you have envelope for emails, and then you have this clip sign for attachment, for link, for link. And when you tap on it, you see the link is very long right here. You can actually shorten your URL by tapping shorten URL right there, so it's now shorter. After doing that, you can now tap on copy. You can go and paste it on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, anywhere you want to share the information, or even on individual WhatsApp inboxes of people. And once they get that information, they respond to you, you will get a notification in your Gmail box that they have responded to your Google form. And once you click on it, you should be able to access all the information, even in a spreadsheet format, right on the form itself. And in addition, you can take the option of viewing in a spreadsheet format. Thank you very much for staying with me up to this moment. I wish you success in designing and creating your form. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comment box down below. Thank you very much. Bye.